Blocking someone on Facebook Messenger is fast and easy. This guide shows two simple methods to prevent a person from contacting you. One of the quickest ways to block someone is directly from an active conversation. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone and selecting the chat with the person you want to block. Once the conversation is open, tap the person's name or profile picture at the top of the screen to access their profile settings. Scroll down through the available options until you find the block option. Tap it, then choose block name to confirm your decision. After confirmation, the person will no longer be able to send you messages or contact you through Messenger. This method is especially useful when you are already chatting with the individual and want to block them immediately. Another convenient option is to block someone directly from your chats list without opening the conversation. Open Messenger and stay on the main chats tab. Find the conversation thread of the person you wish to block. Press and hold the chat until a menu appears on the screen. From the available options, select block and then confirm your choice when prompted. Messenger will instantly apply the block, preventing future communication from that account. It's important to note that blocking someone on Messenger does not automatically unfriend them on Facebook. Messenger may also provide separate options to block messages only or to block the person's Facebook profile entirely, depending on the current version of the app. If you ever change your mind, you can manage blocked accounts through Messenger's privacy settings and remove the block at any time. By following either of these methods, you can quickly and effectively block someone on Facebook Messenger, helping you maintain a safer, more private, and more enjoyable messaging experience.